Good morning. It is currently 8 a.m. and this is the aftermath of a big snowstorm. We got 8 to 12 inches of snow and you have to be careful not to slip. I have already slipped on the ice in the past, but the ice isn't as slippery right now since it is new. And my dad is cleaning the car, so it is safe to drive. Our car was fully covered in snow earlier, but I was not able to film it since I arrived late. After that, we are going to the grocery store to get noodles for the cold weather. After we arrived from the grocery store, my little brother had fun playing in the snow.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Thank you for watching. Ciao!